Today's project is all about tabs and the slots. It's so easy to be able to create using your laser any types of different boxes, drawers, paint stands, any types of the designs that you can come up with using your creativity you can do with this type of a project. The beautiful thing about using the tabs and the slots, they just snap together. You do not need to have any type of nails. All you need is some glue, and I use the CA glue by Starbond, and I have links in the description below so that you can take advantage of the discounts. With these tabs and slots, they're registered to the point where they will snap together and they will be perfectly square, and they work every single time. And you can design these on your own so easily in the Lightburn software. And this is another example. This is one with just a single drawer. In addition to that, I have above there is a holder for the iPad or your computer, or nothing but the instructions of the project that you're putting together. I love doing these types of projects and being able to assembling them with the tabs and the slots. And you don't even need clamps to be able to put it together. When I'm cutting out the different projects, I look for the scrap plywood, and I can piece this together and cut out the individual parts on all different sizes and shapes of different scrap plywood that I have left over in the shop. And this is a huge game changer to be able to eliminate the waste of the different materials, because as you guys know, it's very expensive. Another big benefit of these tabs and slot type of construction is that it takes very little glue. All I do is just put a small drop of glue on the surface that's going to hold the adjoining part, and that's really all that's necessary. The tab and the slot creates a physical attachment point as well, and that keeps everything from sliding, from moving, and you don't have to even worry about clamping this down. You can just literally snap it in place and hold it for just a second, and the glue is going to be dry. I'll use just a little bit of accelerator, and that's all that's necessary. And I can continue on moving to the next part. Plus, when you get finished gluing, you're ready to be able to use this item. Now, having a bottom and a back on here also aids in being able to keep everything perfectly square. Now, in this case, I'm aligning this so that the best side is going to be facing to the front. The side that's not quite as good can go to the rear. Now, in this case, I'm going to use a little bit of the white glue in addition with the Starbond medium CA glue. If I were not using the tabs and a slot type of construction to be able to assemble this project, I would be needing a lot of clamps and nails to be able to hold it together until the glue was actually dry. This solves all of those problems. Plus, as an added bonus, when I finish assembling this, I'm ready to put it to work. I can immediately put the paint on this particular stand, or if I was using the type of boxes with the drawers, I can immediately start filling those drawers up with the different parts of the projects that I need to have in those drawers. I like the fact that I don't have to be patient. I can just immediately start using them. I really hate having to wait 24 hours for the glue to dry and be able to remove clamps. Well, with this type of construction, with the tabs and slots, not necessary. You glue everything together, it locks together with the tabs and the slots, and you're ready to put it to use. And to me, that is again a huge, huge plus. Another advantage is this project is actually saved in the computer. Should I want to make another one? It's just a simple matter of opening up the file, finding the scrap wood in the scrap bin, and cutting out another one. And you know it's going to be exactly the same, identical, and just as easy to be able to assemble it. Now, this type of design is not limited just to these small boxes and paint stands. You can actually scale this up, use the tabs and slots on your CNC machine to actually build your cabinets. So again, you're only limited by your creativity to be able to add this technique into your construction portfolio. Now, of course, oftentimes I will use the white glue in conjunction with the CA glue to be able to create a good, strong bond. Using the white glue does not slow things down because remember that CA glue dries instantly. The white glue, of course, will take a little bit longer to dry, but it doesn't prevent you from start using this project immediately. I hope that you will consider giving this type of construction projects with the tabs and the slots a try, because I think that you'll really enjoy doing it once you try it. You'll not want to go back to using the other methods of construction. So I hope that you enjoyed this very short video today. I hope you was able to learn something, and if you did, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Quick note, I've already got the paint bottles on this stand, and I just literally finished this. Again, that's one of the biggest reasons that I love this type of a project. So for now, bye-bye. Can't wait to see you in the next video.